The only bad thing about this delivery system is that you can't just take a spoon to it and eat it straight. Although I guess you could just squirt it right into your mouth.
Hey everyone, this is another episode of Taste Test, and today we're trying Turkish candies. How do you feel about that?
I heard candies.
Becca, have you ever tried Turkish candies? Like, what do you think about this?
No, I've never tried Turkish candies, but I love international candies.
What other kinds of international candy?
Israeli candy, Italian candy.
I have like this love-hate relationship actually with candy. So I like gummy bears, I like sour candies, but things that are like overly sweet, like lollipops, I'm not a big fan of.
We like opposite candies.
Okay, let's do this. Bring on the first candy.
Before we get started, don't you forget to subscribe. Just hit this little bell and you'll get notified when we upload new videos. How do we think we say this?
Damla.
Okay, so what would you, just by looks, compare these two?
I feel like this is like a gusher inside of a lollipop.
What flavor are you gonna take?
I grabbed peach, and I feel like you should go with your instinct.
Never would I ever pick a sour apple.
Is this green apple? Yes, please.
I'm gonna go for the peach.
Cheers.
That's awesome. That's so green apple.
This is so peach.
Yeah?
You like it?
I guess.
You're like, sure? No, it fully tastes like those fruit-flavored Tootsie Rolls with gusher filling. I think. I like them.
They're good.
They're good.
They're good. You're gonna be chewing for a while.
It's Halva.
Halva.
Have you ever had Halva?
I've never had halva.
This is very good.
Oh, you already know?
I know what halva is.
Mediterranean sesame fudge.
I can definitely smell the sesame right away.
Cheers.
Oh,
Oh wow.
it's sandy.
It's very sandy. It's like a dehydrated tahini.
Right? Yeah. But
Whoa. Oh, this is amazing.
I like this a lot.
The texture is so interesting. It's like crunchy and light.
Oh my gosh, it just dissolves in your mouth.
I feel like I am not getting as much fudge as I anticipated. I'm getting a lot more sesame, but I do taste the sweetness of the chocolate in there.
But it tastes like chocolate peanut butter. Do you agree?
Yes, it's super good.
It's very good, right?
Is this candy?
A tube of candy.
Choco cream hazelnut cocoa cream?
I was making fun of this, but this looks like it's gonna be great.
Oh, it's like to go.
I already know this is gonna be my
Oh,
favorite.
so fun.
Okay, is it crazy to say, I think I may prefer this to the traditional.
I'm sold.
Can I take one of these?
But how cool is this that you can actually just like put this in your pocket? It's kind of like hot sauce in my pocket, but nah.
This is ready for you to spread, to bring in your purse, to roll up to a restaurant, whip out, and put on a piece of toast.
I feel like we're doing a commercial. Try cocoa creme. The handy tube of frosting you could take everywhere.
The only bad thing about this delivery system is that you can't just take a spoon to it and eat it straight. Although I guess you could just squirt it right into your mouth.
Yeah, I guess what else would you spread it on? Pancakes.
Literally everything.
Oh, I feel like I've seen something like this, or I've tasted something like this.
Look!
Yeah, Turkish
It's
Delight.
Turkish Delight!
It's Turkish Delight.
I didn't know if it was considered a candy.
Wow, Turkish Delight dates back to the time of the Ottoman Empire. So I think I've had this, but I had a mint flavor, which was disgusting.
Ready? This is old school.
It's an
Turkish
old school
Delight.
flavor, you know? It has like this, like, almost like it's been sitting in a jar for a long time. Like, it's very antique.
You know what's upsetting? The kid in The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, like, was so excited when he bit into Turkish Delight. So, like, my whole life, I'm like, Turkish Delight, you know? Like, there was this preconceived notion of this, like, unbelievable thing that is Turkish Delight, and I'm just like, I'm upset.
Crocamo.
Cocoa covered croquant
With pistachio.
Oh, I love. Or like
That's
those
really
like
good.
pecan covered in chocolate clusters.
Yeah.
Right? This has that kind of
It's like a Turkish cluster.
Angle.
What are those called? Turtles.
a turtle.
It's a turkle.
It's a turkle.
You like it?
Oh, I do. What do you think?
I don't know. I like it. I'm not getting, like, that much flavor, but maybe it's just because I'm, like,
True.
like, really into sweets that, like, this compared to the other things were less sweet.
Actually, I feel like this chocolate is the perfect sweetness. These are really great. I think these are my favorite.
Yeah,
by
agreed.
far.
Ooh,
The chocolate hazelnut
this
was good.
Little chocolate hazelnut on top. Just
Ooh,
squeeze that
that's
on top.
overkill, right?
I feel like I grew up.
You really? Why?
Because the candy that I eat is like, you know, like a coconut with chocolate hazelnut spread on top of it. Just super, super sweet, which is great, still great, and I'm still gonna have probably tomorrow, but this made me feel a little bit more sophisticated.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below and let us know in the comments what you want to see next time.